Nowadays, an increasing number of people firstly consider the built-in Guideway linear actuator when selecting linear actuator. Compared with the common KK linear actuator, what advantages does it have? Firstly, the built-in Guideway linear actuator improves the low rigidity of original separated type slide base and has lighter weight than the KK due to its integrated aluminum profile structure of body and slide base. Secondly, the Guideway is embedded into the body and subsequently is grounded, so its contour straightness of walking is extremely excellent, can reach plus or minus 0.02 millimeters. In addition, so to keep more compact space that equipment installation needs, its width is smaller than that of the KK, and then it can effectively prevent dust from entering the body and can be used into clean rooms due to the special structure design of steel belt enclosed type.